With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung's new phone could finally be able to capture nebulas and galaxies, which would be a first for a smartphone. Here are the 3 basic requirements that Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra fulfills to go that extra distance. Telephoto range to get closer. Stacking function powered by artificial intelligence. A powerful chip built for astrophotography. Telephoto range to get closer. The first component to capturing those far-off deep space objects is to get as close to them as possible. So far, Galaxy S24 Ultra camera rumors hint at a quad telephoto setup, with zoom ranges of 2x, 3x, 5x and 10x. The latter's the most important because it'll allow for the best image quality, even when a digital zoom is applied. The same leaked specs sheet also indicates a 100x space zoom function with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which would be the zoom range needed to make out the fine details of galaxies and nebulas. However, the biggest unknown right now is whether or not the second telephoto camera will remain as a 10x optical zoom lens, or downgraded to a 5x optical zoom instead. I certainly hope that's not the case, especially given how Samsung takes pride in having the best components in its devices. Even if it does turn out to be a downgraded 5x telephoto camera, there's still a way for Samsung to achieve the same level of performance as a true 10x optical camera. Stacking function powered by artificial intelligence. In order for the Galaxy S24 Ultra to capture galaxies and nebulas, especially the finer details like the gases swirling around, the phone would need to be mounted to a tripod or something. As it continues to capture multiple photos of whatever deep space object you're capturing, AI would need to stack the images accordingly, while also going through each photo to eliminate noise and other oddities that could occur during the long exposure like streaking planes that get into the shot. A powerful chip built for astrophotography. Doing all of this requires some heavy processing power, but the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 expected to power the S24 Ultra could be equipped to handle all of it. The chipset was built with AI in mind, so there's a good chance that it could do an intelligent job at stacking and cleaning up images. Samsung Gauss AI image generating model, which is expected to be an on-device feature, would generate images based on your input. It could also be incorporated into how the phones handle astrophotography as a whole to better edit and clean up images. Subscribe my channel and share this info with tech enthusiasts in your family and friends.